You can start the S-CCATE survey by first clicking the invitation link that was sent to your email. You'll be prompted to either log in if you already have an account, or to register for a new account if you have not yet created one. Note that the S-CCATE assessment is powered by TeachLink, so you can use your TeachLink login to access S-CCATE surveys. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Reset Password button below the login screen. You will be asked to enter the email that you signed up with. Once you receive the password reset email, click the link and enter your new password. You can then submit and log in with your newly created password. Once you have logged in successfully, you will see the surveys that you have been invited to take in the Surveys in Progress list under the Surveys tab. To start a survey, click on the survey that you would like to take and fill out the questions. Once you have finished all of the questions on a page, click Next Page to continue on. There are 40 questions in all, so take your time and answer them thoughtfully. Once you are finished, click the Submit button to submit your results. If at any point you have to leave the survey, you can find it in the Active Surveys list under the Surveys tab. Click on the survey to start it again. If your school has purchased the S-CCATE program, S-CCATE administrators will compile the data, calculate the results, and provide a report to your school once there is enough data to be statistically significant. Thank you for your interest in the S-CCATE assessment. We look forward to working with you and your school.